Pakistan's superpower in the world. The new Holland Al-Ghazi 65 HP tractor is one of the most trusted and powerful locally assembled machines built for the hardworking farmers of today. This newest generation model brings together strength, reliability, and smart engineering designed specifically for heavy-duty agricultural use in regional conditions. At first glance, the new Holland Al-Ghazi 65 HP stands out with its signature blue color, a mark of confidence and quality recognized across farms in Pakistan and beyond. The overall build is solid and practical, with a sturdy chassis, strong axles, and wide tires built to handle tough terrain. It's not just a tractor, it's a dependable work partner made for long hours and high workloads. The 65 horsepower engine delivers consistent performance, even under heavy stress. Designed for both power and fuel efficiency, it performs well whether plowing fields, hauling loads, or operating with large implements. Its smooth torque output gives the operator full control, ensuring that even in challenging soil or weather conditions, the tractor keeps performing without losing strength or speed. One of the best things about this model is its locally optimized design. Since it's assembled regionally by Al-Ghazi tractors under New Holland technology, it's perfectly suited for local crops, soil conditions, and climates. This means maintenance is easier, spare parts are readily available, and servicing can be done at almost any nearby workshop. For farmers, this translates into lower downtime and higher productivity. The transmission system is well calibrated, giving smooth gear shifting and better fuel utilization. The hydraulic system is powerful, enough to support heavy implements and offers excellent lifting capacity. It's designed to work all day long without overheating or losing performance, even during peak harvesting seasons. The operator's cabin or driver's area reflects simplicity mixed with comfort. The steering is light and responsive, controls are well positioned, and visibility is excellent from all angles. The seat is cushioned to handle vibrations during long working hours, and the overall ergonomics make it less tiring to operate for extended periods. Though simple, it gives a feeling of confidence and control to the driver, something every farmer values. Another major plus is durability. The new Al-Ghazi 65 HP has been built using stronger materials and improved components compared to earlier models. The heavy-duty rear axle, robust front frame, and reinforced transmission housing ensure this tractor can withstand tough field conditions without frequent repairs. Fuel efficiency is a key strength of this generation. The engine's design ensures maximum output with minimum fuel consumption, reducing operational costs significantly over time. In today's economy, where fuel prices keep fluctuating, this feature gives the tractor a strong advantage. Maintenance has been made simple, and farmer